If you don't want to miss any of the videos uploaded by me, please follow these steps. In your cell phone, open YouTube and in the search box type Shekhar Maths. You will see my photograph in a circle and also a subscribe button. So touch the subscribe button and also touch the bell icon and select all. You will get instant notifications whenever I upload any of my video. Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class mathematics 11th chapter perimeter and area exercise 11.3. Before going to do the exercise, let us learn the concept. Perimeter and area. Now let us find out perimeter for the two polygons. One rectangle, another square. For this, take the picture of a rectangle and name it as ABCD. Here ABCD are lengths and BC, AD are breadths. All sides are not equal. Now let us take the picture of a square. Name it as ABCD. Here all sides are equal. Each is a side. Now perimeter is nothing but sum of sides. Now for the rectangle, perimeter P is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, where AB is L, BC is B, CD is L, DA is B. Observe that there are two L's. So P is equal to 2L plus 2B's plus 2B. So P is equal to 2L plus 2B and perimeter P is equal to, taking 2 as common, 2 into L plus B is the formula for the perimeter of rectangle. Now perimeter of square. Perimeter P is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. P is equal to S plus S plus S plus S. That is equal to 4S. P is equal to 4S is the perimeter for square. Now let us find out the area for the two polygons. Area is nothing but occupied place. Let us observe the green color occupying inside the rectangle. That is the area of the rectangle ABCD. For this, let us take length 4 centimeters, breadth 2 centimeters. Divide the length into 4 parts by drawing 3 vertical lines, each having 1 centimeter length, and draw a horizontal line dividing the breadth into 2 equal parts, that is each having 1 centimeter. In that way, 8 square blocks are formed. So the area of the rectangle is nothing but the area of the 8 square blocks. This can be obtained by just multiplying 4 centimeters into 2 centimeters. That is 4 into 2 into centimeter. 4 into 2 is 8. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. That is 8 square centimeter is the area of the rectangle. Now let us write length in place of 4 centimeters and breadth in place of 2 centimeters. Now area is nothing but product of adjacent sides. That is area A is equal to AB into BC or CD into AD, or area is equal to A is equal to length into breadth. So A is equal to L into B is the formula for the area of the rectangle. Now let us find out the area of the square. Observe the green color occupying inside the square. That is the area of ABCD. Now let us take 2 centimeters length of each side. Now draw a vertical line and a horizontal line dividing each side into 2 equal parts, that is 1 centimeter each, so that 4 square blocks are formed. So area of these 4 squares is nothing but the area of the square. This can be obtained by multiplying 2 centimeters into 2 centimeters. That is 2 into 2 is 4. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. That is 4 square centimeter. Now right side in place of 2 centimeters. Area is nothing but product of adjacent sides. So area is equal to AB into BC or BC into CD or CD into AD or AD into AB. So area is equal to side into side. So area A is equal to S into S is the formula for the area of the square. Now let us do exercise 11.3 first problem. Find the area of the rectangle with measurements 15 centimeters and 8 centimeters as length and breadth respectively. Solution. Take the picture of a rectangle ABCD. Length AB is equal to L is equal to 15 centimeters. Breadth BC is equal to small b is equal to 8 centimeters. Area A is equal to L into B. So A is equal to L 15 centimeters into breadth 8 centimeters, that is 15 into 8 is 120 centimeter is into centimeter is square centimeter is the area of the rectangle. Now second problem, find the area of a square whose perimeter is 64 meters. Solution. Take the picture of a square ABCD. Perimeter P is equal to 64 meters. We know that perimeter of square is P is equal to 4S. So 4S is equal to 64 meters. Now side S is equal to 64 by 4. On simplification by 4, 4 1 ja, 4 16 ja, that is 16 meters. Now area of the square A is equal to S into S, that is equal to 16 meters into 16 meters, that is 16 into 16 is 256 square meter. Now third problem, perimeters of a rectangle and square are equal if the length of the rectangle is 14 centimeters and the perimeter of square is 44 centimeters. Find the area of the rectangle. Solution. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of the square. We know that perimeter is 2 into L plus B is equal to perimeter of square is 44. So L plus B is equal to 44 by 2. On simplification by 2 to 22 ja, that is 22 centimeters. We know that the length of the rectangle is 14 centimeters. So write 14 in place of L. So 14 plus B is equal to 22. So breadth B is equal to 22 minus 14, that is equal to 8 centimeters. Now area of the rectangle is A is equal to L into B, that is 14 centimeters into 8 centimeters. 14 into 8 is 112 centimeter into centimeter is square centimeters. Now number 4, find the perimeters and areas of the following and answer the questions. A rectangle with length and breadth as 16 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively. B, a rectangle with length and breadth as 14 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively. C, a square with side 12 centimeters. Solution. Take the picture of a rectangle and draw length and breadth. Now perimeter is nothing but sum of sides. So 16 plus 8 plus 16 plus 8. We know that perimeter A is equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 16 plus 8, that is 2 into 16 plus 8 is 24, 2 into 24 is 48 centimeters. Now area is equal to A is equal to L into B, so 16 centimeters into 8 centimeters, 16 into 8 is 128, centimeter into centimeter is square centimeters. Now solution B. Take the picture of the rectangle and identify the length 14 centimeters, breadth 10 centimeters, perimeter is sum of the sides 14 plus 10 plus 14 plus 10, that is equal to 2 into 14 plus 10, that is equal to 2 into 24 is 48 centimeters. Now area A is equal to 14 centimeters into 10 centimeters, A is equal to L into B, so 14 into 10 is 140. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square, that is 140 square centimeters. Now solution C. Take the picture of a square and draw the 12 centimeters each side. Now perimeter P is equal to sum of all the sides, that is 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, that is 4 into 12, that is 48 centimeters. Now area is 12 centimeters into 12 centimeters, S into S. So 12 into 12 is 144. Centimeter into centimeter is square centimeters, that is 144 square centimeters. Now Number 1. Which of the above perimeters are equal? Solution 1. Perimeters of above two rectangles and square is same, that is 48 centimeters only. Number 2. Are all these areas equal? If not, which one has the bigger area? Solution 2. All areas are not equal. Area of rectangle A is 128 square centimeters. Area of rectangle B is 140 square centimeters. Area of square C is 144 square centimeters. Above all, 144 square centimeters is big. So, area of square C is big.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Shekhar Maths.